Well, howdy there pluckers, Ivis All Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This is in response to a request I've had to do a lesson on a song by a duo called Penny and Sparrow. The song's called Thunder. Standard tuning, capo on the 3rd fret, puts us in the same key as Penny and Sparrow. So without more to do, I'm going to go through the song for you now, and I shall break it down and show you how I played it, and hopefully you'll be good to go with it. Singing is purely for reference as usual. So let's get to it. My heart's like a fireplace in summer. It's useless and there's only here for show. I don't know what it is that I'm after. I just hope that I find it when I'm. If I'm honest, I'd say I love the distance. So daily I pack a bag and leave. I think this must be it. You must be tired of my shit. All I've got is thunder, noise inside my holster. If I can't have you, then I'm probably through. 'Cause all I've got is thunder. Oh, can't help it but cry through my body. I'm useless unless I'm holding you. The outside is telling me it wants me. I wanna stay at home and be with you. 'Cause all I've got is thunder, noise inside my holster. If I can't have you, then I'm probably through. 'Cause all I've got is oh, I'm talking with no teeth. I'm probably going to be. And all I've got is thunder, noise with nothing after. And if I can't have you, then I'm probably through. 'Cause all I've got, all I've got is thunder. Bit loose around the edges, but you get the gist. There you get it. Right, so let's get to it. Introduction. A minor, F, C. Second time, A minor, F, G. Okay, now simple intro. A minor, F, C. And second time, A minor, F, G. Right. Then it goes into the verse and it starts off again on A minor. So let's just do the intro and the first couple of lines. Okay, so. The verse. A minor, my heart's like a F fireplace, C summer. A minor, useless, and F only here for G show. A minor, I don't know F what it is, I'm a C after F, just hope G, I find it when I C, go. Quite straightforward that one, isn't it? Really. A minor, just go through it again. My A minor, heart's like a F, fireplace in C, summer. It's A minor, useless, and F, only here for G, show. A minor, I don't know what it F like, C, I'm after F, just hope it's G, sorry, gotta find it when I C, go. Right, now we're going to the second verse, slightly different. Starts off the same. A minor, if I'm honest, F, I'd say I love the C, distance. So A minor, take the I, F, pack a bag and G, leave. A minor, I think it must be F, it, you must be C, tired of my F shit. Okay, and that's a progression, the C, and then lower the third on the fifth to the second on the fifth, and then to the F. So it's got that, C, and then just two fingers, the second on the fifth, and it's keeping that first on the second there, and then to the F, and then stay there, and then you're in the G, driveway, holding C, me. So let's just go through that second verse again a little bit quicker. If I'm A minor, honest, F, I say I love C, the distance. A minor, daily I, F, pack a bag and G, leave. A minor, I think it must be if F, and that's progression on C, tired of my F shit. And you're in the G, highway, holding C, me. So let's go through the intro and the first two verses then, okay? Slowly. A minor, don't forget A minor, F and C, and then A minor, F and G for the intro, okay? Right, verse 1, here it comes. My heart's like a fireplace in summer. Useless, and I'm only here for show. I don't know what it is I'm after. I just hope that I find it when I go. Right, verse 2. If I'm honest, I say I love the distance. So daily I pack a bag. I think it must be, see, run down to our beat. And you're in the driveway holding me. Right, so we have it, intro, first two verses, okay? And then we go into the chorus. And that's because all I got is thunder. That's F, all I've, A minor, got is G, thunder, and we do that. We put the old suspended fourth on there, and then just with the G chord add the first finger to the first fret of the second string. That sort of thing for the old suspended fourth, okay? So, because all I've got is thunder. Repeat, noise inside my holster. So it's two lines of F to A minor to G suspended, then F, A minor, C suspended on the G, okay? So all I got is thunder, noise inside my holster. And we go to A minor, I can't have F, you. Then we've got this C rundown again, then I'm probably through. Just like it was in the verse, that's C, lower the bass note to the second on the fifth, to the F, through. Because all I've, stay on the F there, all I've G got is A minor, thunder. And then we play the intro again. You've got lots of oohs and ahs. And we go into the third verse, okay? So let's just go through that chorus again, coming out of the second verse where it goes, I think it must be it, and it's tired of my shit. And then you're in the driveway holding me. Right, here comes the chorus. Because all I've got is thunder. F note, A minor, G holster. A minor, 5 F to U, C run down and probably through. Cause all I've G got A minor is from the intro. Right, third verse, exactly the same as the first verse, okay? Can't help us crying through my body. A minor, F to G. A minor, F to C. Downside is telling me it wants me. F to G to C. And I wanna stay at home, be with you. Chorus. Cause all I've got is thunder. And all inside my holster. And if I can't have you, then I'm probably leave. Cause all I've got, A minor is thunder. Intro. A minor to F to G this time. Ooh. Quick unsuspended there if you like. Then it goes into this line, it repeats this line again where it goes talking with no teeth, I'm going to be. That's that rundown again. So F, A minor, sorry, but different words on this time. I'm talking with no, that's A minor, talking with no F teeth, C rundown, prone to F, B. Right, so it's talking with no teeth, and I'm prone to be. Then it's very, very quiet, but I think what's going on there is talking with no teeth, and I'm prone to be. It goes from F to C, to G, to C. Very quiet. Okay, so talking with no teeth, and I'm prone to be. And then goes into another chorus again. And all I've got is thunder, noise with nothing. I can't have you, then I'm probably through. Cause all I've got is, and then just repeats that line. So when it comes out last, this is the last chorus, okay? So after it comes into the A minor, can't have you till I'm probably through. Cause all I've G got is back to the F, back to the G, got back to F, all I've got is thunder. Strum on thunder, C, F, strum, C. Okay, so that whole end bit, if you want to call it, coming out of the second chorus. Can't have you, and I'm probably through. Cause all I've got is intro thunder. F to G, A minor, I'm talking with F, T, run down on C, probably E. Cause all I've got is thunder. You might might even just single chords at that point. I'm not sure. Where it goes, probably leave. It's very, very quiet. And all I've got is thunder. I think it's just single chords at that point. Noise with nothing after. If I can't have you, then I'm probably through. 'Cause all I've got is thunder. Okay, I think that's the way it's done on the record, I think. Anyway, hopefully that'll help you play that track. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.